Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So, firstly, we need to open settings application, then scroll down, then choose additional settings and languages and input. Here choose current keyboard, and here we have Baidu IME from UI, so Go keyboard from UI, and iFlyTech IME for MIUI. But we have no other languages. We have only English and Chinese languages in this keyboard. So if you want to set French language or I don't know, Ukrainian language, you need to open Play Store and install Google Keyboard or SwiftKey keyboard. For example, we need to log in into Google Play Store. Then click Next. Next, I agree. If you have no Play Store, you can watch our video about how to install Google Play Store in this device. And then find here Gboard application. Find Gboard, click Install. Something went wrong, try again. Okay. Then click Open button. Here you will see Enabling Settings. Click on it. Here choose Current Keyboard. Here as you can see I have no Manage Key. Okay, choose okay, so here choose Manage Keyboards and choose your Gboard. Click on Off button and click OK. Now disable all others keyboards to use only Gboard. And by click on it, you can choose languages. Click done. Okay, so wait a while. Great. Go back. Close it. Now as you can see I have Gboard, normal Gboard, and now I want to open settings of the Gboard. To open the settings of the Gboard, click on this button and click on the settings button. Here as you can see we have Gboard settings. By clicking on languages you can click add language, and here you can choose any language you want. For example, I don't want, for example, Ukrainian language with Cyrillica. Ukrainian language with Cyrillic letters. And now as you can see we have the other keyboard on our device. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.